Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this fascinating course of intelligent automation and generative AI workflows. I am Manthan Patel. I run my own AI automation agency and I can say that I am familiar and expert with AI automation and generative workflows. Well, in this course I am going to share you the best and the one and only platform that I use to run my AI automation and generative workflows. This platform is end-to-end AI automation platform, which is an integrated framework of no-code, low-code, and out-of-the-box generative AI solution to build AI assistants, chatbots, and automation. This platform is no-code and low-code platform, where even non-technical person can build and deploy powerful application with the help of drag-and-drop feature, as well as some of the customizable components. And this platform doesn't require any kind of coding. This platform also provides Code SDK, which are code software development kits, where we can access all the functionalities of this platform by just simple intuitive APIs. This platform also offers a huge marketplace with over 60 plus pre-built pipelines built for you in order to automate your workflows immediately. For example, some of the pre-built use cases are simple chatbots, document analyst, filling template using Notion, filling template using Airtable, and many more. Here we will discover about marketplace in the upcoming course. This platform also provides AI agents. Well, what are AI agents? AI agents are also known as intelligence agents, where they take action to maximize their chance of achieving that specific goals. These AI agents are the fundamental concept in artificial intelligence, and they are widely used in AI automation, robotics, and some of the VR AR stuff. This incredible platform also provides us the feature of search, where we can seamlessly unite vast data from diverse sources, enhancing our effectiveness of AI platform. For example, we can integrate across our data sources, then empower our AI workflows, and customize our search engine. This platform also provides options of integration and automation, where we can live sync, set up action-based trigger. For example, receive an email or send an email, and automate action, for example, send a Slack message, update our Notion template, and across all your tool stack. Here we have integration of Google Drive, OneDrive, Salesforce, HubSpot, Notion, Airtable, and many more applications. Finally, I am revealing the name of this super powerful platform, which is known as VectorShift.ai. Well, VectorShift isn't just another platform. It is a gateway to transferring the way we design, prototype, and deploy our automated solution. Whether you are a seasoned developer or an entrepreneur or even a non-tech person who want to leverage the power of artificial intelligence, well, VectorShift is for you. Imagine building chatbots that can intelligently interact with your user, automating some of the complex workflows for you, and even create content at a dynamic scale. Well, this can all be done in a single platform, and that's the power of VectorShift. Throughout this course, we will explore the myriad applications of VectorShift, from building chatbots to automating document search, content creation, and way beyond. Whether you are looking to streamline your business processes or unleashing your creativity, VectorShift has everything for you. But before we deep dive into the specific, firstly we will learn about VectorShift basic, or for example building pipelines and some of the sophisticated logic that drives our workflows and automation. We will also look about each node within the pipeline represent, and we will be using some of the building blocks, for example from input and output to data processing and integration points. Throughout this course, we will leverage the power of this wonderful AI automation platform, which is VectorShift, and by end of this course, you will create and you can create any AI automation that you have in your mind by accessing the power and the capability of VectorShift. So if you are looking to empower your AI journey, I invite you to join me on this accelerating journey into the hearts of VectorShift. Together, we will learn about VectorShift and unlock the secret intelligence automation and unleash the full potential of this platform. I am fired up, so should you be. Alright, I will see you in the course.